Tamanu trees reduce CO2 in the air in two ways. First, every time biomass production goes through the photosynthetic process, plants absorb CO2 as the main raw material along with water for this process. For every 1 kg of biomass growth, it takes about 2.2 kg of CO2, so a mature Tamanu tree with 100 kg of biomass production per year, it absorbs about 220 kg of CO2 in the same year. In addition to the general production of biomass such as other trees for the growth of stems, twigs, leaves and so on, the Tamanu tree also produces fruit which contains high oil. If this Tamanu oil is used as a substitute for diesel from fossil fuels, there is a further reduction of CO2, which occurs due to the replacement of fossil fuels by Tamanu biofuel. For every liter of fossil diesel replaced by diesel from Tamanu, there is a reduction in emissions in nature of about 2.87 kg of CO2. Mature Tamanu trees, which can produce 50 liters of biodiesel per year, will contribute to a reduction in CO2 of 144 kg per year. The combination of CO2 absorbed for biomass growth or production, and CO2 in the air that is reduced from the use of mature Tamanu biofuels, is around 300 kg CO2 per year.